Have you recently invested in a significant amount of precious metals and aren't sure where to store it? Or maybe you run a jewelry store and need to meet stricter insurance requirements with a TL or TRTL rated safe. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to purchase an ISM high security safe, and more importantly, how to get it delivered and installed, no matter where you are. Hi, I'm Kael Johnson. I've helped individuals and businesses across the country source the ISM safe that fits their high-value storage need. ISM safes are among the most secure in the world, but they're not easy to come by. Only a handful of dealers nationwide carry them, and stock is often limited. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how fast you can get an ISM, what delivery looks like, and how customization works, so you know exactly what to expect before making a purchase. We typically carry a selection of ISM safes in stock. However, due to high demand, especially for the Super Platinum TRTL 60x6 rated safes, availability changes daily. To stay ahead, we maintain continuous orders with the ISM factory in Israel and store safes in multiple warehouses on both coasts, allowing us to offer faster turnaround than most dealers. If your model's in stock, we can usually have it delivered within 1 or 2 weeks, depending on your location. If it needs to be a special ordered safe, expect about a 90-day lead time to account for production and international freight. We ship containers from Israel roughly every quarter to keep inventory moving. Once your ISM safe is reserved, our team gets to work. First, we inspect and professionally package your safe to protect it during transit. We then arrange a dedicated truck through our logistics partners. No terminal stops, no transfers. Just a straight shot from our warehouse to your location, minimizing the risk of freight damage. Most dealers ship LTL, which increases the chance of damage due to the multiple handlings. We don't take that risk. Due to their weight, anywhere from 1,000 to over 8,000 pounds, we recommend using one of our preferred installers. In the Northwest, our team handles delivery and setup personally. We ensure your safe is properly leveled for smooth operation, demonstrate the lock, and remove all packaging. ISM safes usually ship without bolt-down holes, so let us know if you need them pre-drilled when placing your order. If you plan to offload yourself, you'll need a loading dock or heavy-duty equipment. We can help coordinate this if needed. We offer full customization options, from internal configurations for firearms or valuables, to personalized paint colors and added internal lockers for extra security. Want a specific type of lock? Whether it's a high security, electronic, or biometric, we'll install the best solution for your needs. Now that you know how to source, ship, and customize an ISM safe, the next step is simple. Make your purchase online or give us a call. Our team is ready to help you secure your valuables with one of the most trusted names in high security safes. Thanks for watching. Remember, a safe isn't just a box. It's peace of mind. If you want the best, invest in ISM.